In autonomous logistics, mobility is no longer the challenge. Precision, on the other hand, is where autonomy breaks. One engineer, 100 AMRs, each one struggling with markers, LiDAR drift, floor inconsistencies. Robots crash, stall, or miss their mark, costing time, safety, and trust. Because docking, the final step, still needs people. NaviDock is a plug-and-play, multi-camera vision system for approximately 5mm docking accuracy. No QR codes, no LiDAR calibration, no maps, no teaching, just vision, AI-powered, edge-run, and factory-tuned. Installation, just 5 minutes. Adaptation, automatic. NaviDock sees, learns, adapts, from temperature shifts to floor vibrations, from bright sunlight to warehouse dust. NaviDock compensates in real time. And with one-time installation, you scale from 1 robot to 1,000 without rewriting a single line of code. From small factories to mega factories, NaviDock eliminates the last manual step in autonomous logistics. The result? 90% faster deployment, 0 friction at endpoints, true autonomy delivered. Infrastructure should think, adapt, and disappear into your flow. Dock any AMR, anywhere. 0 markers, no endless tweaking. Just dock and go. NaviDock.